How to tag people on Instagram after posting. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I will teach you how you can tag someone on Instagram after posting. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, hit down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified whenever we release a new video. Now let's begin. So to tag someone on Instagram after you've posted a photo already, it's pretty simple. Make sure that you have the updated version of Instagram. Make sure it's on the latest update. And after that, you can simply open it up. So locate your Instagram app and then open it up. Make sure you're logged in into your account. After you're here, what you'll need to do is head over to your profile, tap on the bottom right corner. Then find the photo that you want to tag someone in. Now tap on the three dots you'll find on the top right corner of the post. From here you will find different options. What you can do is tap on edit. After you tap on edit, you'll find tag people option right here. Tap on it. Now simply press on the place where you want to tag the person and simply type in the username. After you've selected it, you can add multiple people as well. Then tap on the top right corner on the tick icon and do the same. And you've just tagged someone on Instagram after posting. And that's basically it guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.